I want to conduct a very short video at the request of Sri Lankan community abroad. This is about the Attorney General's issue right now. And you must have seen a very small video clip. And this is further to the representation made by certain lawyers at the AG's department, the utterances made by the Attorney General. Listen to this in the first place. Thank you.
You guys know the people who know the law. I mean, I'm not about the law. If I make a mistake, there is a court of appeal there. And there is Supreme Court there. Peace Court there. I'm challenged by me. I mean, and if the court tells me to do something, I'll be more than happy to do it.
Okay, now you listen to what Parinda Ranasinghe said. There's a thing called rule of law. We all must respect the rule of law and obey the rule of law. I must tell you, his attitude and conduct is an insult to the intelligence of the intelligent community in this country, particularly to the Supreme Court. I will read out a judgment in Express Pearl case made by Justice Yasantha Kodagoda, another product of the AG's department, a respectable official. And the judgment was delivered on 24th of July 2025, whereas Parinda Ranasinghe took office, appointed to the office of the Attorney General on 12th of, exactly 1 year before, on 12th of July 2024. And this is what in the Express Pearl judgment, Justice Kodagoda said. He says, Attorney General has infringed the fundamental rights of the petitioners, those who the petitioners represent, and by the extension of the people of the Sri Lanka, guaranteed under Article 12.1 of the Constitution. What he basically say, there's a clear violation of Article 12.1 of the Constitution, and he say, the petitioners in the matter are entitled from the Attorney General the actual cost of the litigation, including the counsel's fees, relating to the several applications filed against the Attorney General. The Attorney General has failed to perform, listen to it very carefully, the Attorney General has failed to perform his statutory function statutory functions in the Express Pearl matter. And you can see that it's very difficult to read it. And anyway, and Attorney General has failed to perform his office as the Attorney General of the Republic of Sri Lanka. That is what the judgment say. And what is relevant here is the application of the rule of law. There is a law concerning the dismissal of the Attorney General, Office of the Attorney General, and also the IGP. And it says conviction, being convicted of offense involving moral turpitude. What is moral turpitude? Dishonesty, violation of professional ethics, involving frauds. This is another fraud. And being found guilty of misconduct and corruption. Being found guilty of gross negligence of duty. Being found guilty of gross abuse of public office. He is found guilty. Parinda Ranasinghe, he has been found guilty by the Supreme Court on, I told you the date, on 24th of July 2025. He made an utterance to the lawyers. He said, if the Court of Appeal or the Supreme Court found me guilty, I will leave. I am prepared to leave. So now he has been found guilty now he is insulting the intelligence community in this country, here and abroad. He must respect the rule of law. Basically, that is what we ask. Because the office of the Attorney General is the highest office in the legal profession in the public sector, not in the private. And what he has done is not something pardonable. He tried to defend. This is the photograph that I have taken. This is the day that he took oaths before Ranil Wickremesinghe. Now he has the record of this battle on the case, and he has been this Malima government has a speaker has delivered it to sent it to the Attorney General for prosecution of Ranil Wickremesinghe. He's not doing it. And again, this Ranil Wickremesinghe's trip to India, he knows very well. He abused the public office for his private benefit, but he is not doing it. He has taken over the case record from Dilip Piri and appointed another person, that is Pirat Dayaratna, to proceed with the matter. So, he has committed an offense. He has been found guilty by the Supreme Court. Now, what he should do, without insulting the people like us, the people who respect the rule of law and the ethics in the profession, he must immediately leave. Thank you.